the US-India partnership is deep and expansive.
फ्रेंड्स, मैं चाहूंगा कि स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के तहत अमेरिका से भी बच्चे भारत आएं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently on a state visit to the United States. He arrived in Washington, D.C. on Wednesday on the second leg of his maiden state visit to the U.S., during which he will host bilateral talks with President Joe Biden and address a joint session of the U.S. Congress. Before reaching the White House and meeting U.S. President Joe Biden, PM Modi and Jill Biden hosted the National Science Foundation in Alexandria, Virginia. PM Modi expressed his belief in the potential of the India-US partnership to become the driving force behind sustainable and inclusive global growth. He said that while the US has top-class educational institutions and advanced technologies, India is the world's largest youth factory. To maintain growth momentum, India and the US need a pipeline of talent. On one hand, the US has top-class educational institutions and advanced technologies. On the other hand, India has the world's biggest youth factory. That is why I believe that the India-US partnership will prove to be the engine of sustainable and inclusive global growth, PM Modi said. PM Modi also suggested starting an India-US Teachers Exchange program and hackathons on different issues. To increase the engagement of scientists and entrepreneurs across the world with Indian institutions, we started YAN, Global Initiative of Academic Networks, in 2015. I am delighted to tell you that under this, 750 faculty members from the US have come to India.
मैं चाहूंगा कि स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के तहत अमेरिका से भी बच्चे भारत आएं और भारत को देखें, भारत को जानें। मुझे आशा भी है और विश्वास भी है कि वो दिन दूर नहीं जब नवाहो नेशन का युवा भारत के नॉर्थ ईस्ट नागालैंड में बैठे अपने दोस्त के साथ मिलकर एक आइडिया, एक प्रोजेक्ट को डेवलप करेगा।
Jill Biden, who accompanied PM Modi, underlined that by working together, both the countries can achieve a safer, healthier and more wealthy future for everybody. She went on to say that for economies to be robust, both the countries must invest in future generations. It must be guaranteed that young people are given the opportunity they deserve.
Our relationship isn't just about governments. We're celebrating the families and friendships that span the globe, those who feel the bonds of both of our countries. After years of strengthening ties, the US-India partnership is deep and expansive as we jointly tackle global challenges.
PM Modi and First Lady Jill Biden met with students from both countries at NSF. Anshul Sharma, an IIT Delhi student and Fulbright Fellow at MIT, delivered a presentation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.